Hi there, and welcome to the Financials for Office 365 Standard Edition demo video. This video covers the new release of version 3.0. Here you'll be provided an overview of the capabilities and powerful functionality available within Financials. Financials for Office 365 strives to provide powerful functionality as well as the ease of use, but it also supplies you with the scalability that you can meet your business requirements. Today we'll be primarily working within the web experience of Financials for Office 365, which can be accessed on any internet browser on any computer. So let's begin. You just need your credentials, a username and password. What you are seeing now is referred to as the Role Center, which is used as a home page from which users would open on a daily basis. This opening dashboard gives me my tasks, priorities, and provides me with one-click access to any relevant information I would need to know. As you can see, there are quite a few overdue sales documents here. I'll have to talk to the sales team about that after this video, of course. In the top, we have the ribbon, the same as you would in Excel, Word, or other Office programs. This menu is page-specific and provides instant access to documentation, action buttons, etc. On the right, we have our end-user reports with real-time information illustrating how my business is performing. On the left is the navigation pane. You may be familiar to this from Outlook, even the Windows Folder Explorer. Want to get where you're going quicker? We have the universal search function so that you can quickly delve into Financials. We have a specific role center available to users for each potential position within your business. Do you need more guidance when exploring a new program? By selecting the question mark button in the top right corner, a help window will appear with relevant information to whatever page you have open. Now that my day has started, we can begin by reviewing my customers who have a balance by selecting the page in our navigation pane. Every list page in Financials is modeled off tables you would find in Microsoft programs, such as Excel. You can hide columns and show columns that are specifically relevant for your job role. We can view the list sorted by any one of these columns, and just like any list page, we can export it straight to Excel, like so. Straight away, you have the same filtering functionality available to you that you had within Financials. And with the page-specific search function, you can choose any detail from any of these columns to search for, and the page will automatically adjust, such as the location, even a portion of the description or name of a customer. It's that easy. Don't have much time and just want to see the cliff notes for your customers? Just by highlighting a customer in this page, I can see their important information by the fact boxes. We can see their sales history, statistics, and even bring up their sales documents by drilling down on a figure, such as invoices. So what have we seen? We have had a look at the general look and feel of Financials for Office 365's web experience, being introduced to the concept of role centers as a dashboard with one-click access to our tasks and reports. And finally, we've even assessed the dynamic list of our customers that have a balance with our company. So let's have a look at the customer card. Financials organizes a card's information by sections that are called fast tabs. Fast tabs allow us to present a card's information in an organized and functional fashion, displaying the prioritized information with the capability to show our preference of sections. If I enter in a phone number and select the icon on the right, we can use Skype for Business to call up that customer. Or if I hit the function on the left, I can use Skype. Every page has the fact boxes that can show us the sales history and statistics of a customer, but we can also include links and notes. A link can be a document stored locally on your computer, like so. Or even the link to a website that you want attached to that card. Wow, that looks interesting. I might read that after this video. And you are even able to link files that are stored on your SharePoint. This looks interesting too. I can even add notes to cards that have a timestamp so I can refer to them later. Now that I've reviewed my customers' details, let's add that personal touch and travel to them on site. Now, if we use this from the phone or tablet, we can even use our GPS to give us directions to our client's location. There they are. Now, if I want to add that personal touch to quotes or documents that I provide to my customers, you can even apply customer-specific documents that are designed in Word by end users. Straight away, you have a couple samples within our template that you can look at. These reports are made to be user-friendly, and even an end user can create some. But if you wish to have a bit of guidance, or even assistance in your implementation, which we do recommend, Financials has a great service partner network available to you. Now that we have visited our customer on site, they want us to make a new order for them. We can do this straight from the customer card. From the customer card, you simply click one button, and the credit limit of that customer is generated so we can assess their balance. And with that, the sales order is populated with their information. When choosing items, resources, or accounts, we can even populate the sales order with the same functionality as filtering a list page. We can simply type in a portion of the description and the item is suggested. Even typing the unit price can produce the item we are navigating for. And if we want to use the full list, we just have to click this one button and we have the full inventory list in front of us. To view the order without the custom layouts, click Test Report and choose whether you want to view the invoice or the shipment. You can view this as a PDF, Word, or even Excel document once completed. You can even preview the GL accounts this document will post to. We can post this order as completed. Now we've reviewed a client and seen all the functionality available within the customer card. We have even seen how you can utilize customer-specific invoice layouts, and we've even processed an order for a customer. So let's move on to inventory management. Financials has an advanced inventory management capability available within the standard edition. This allows you to have complete control, understanding, and awareness of how your inventory is accounted for, tracked, and processed so that your stock management can be as comprehensive or as simplistic as you like. Using the list page, we can filter your inventory to the same level of ease that we use to navigate through your customers. We can filter by supplier, description, even unit cost or unit price of the item, and of course the item code itself. Within the item card, we can see the available inventory, current inbound inventory from a purchase order, even the amount committed to sales orders that have not been released at this point in time. We can incorporate different costing methods, whether it's FIFO, standard or average, replenishment methods, whether it is purchasing, production or assembly kitting, as well as apply master data to this item card. We can incorporate multiple units of measure, as well as variants and identifiers, even see the item availability by event, and even see the item's movements over multiple locations. Financials for Office 365 understands that there is industry-specific information that you would want to put into your accounting software. So, within version 3.0 Standard Edition, we have made user-definable fields available to the user. You have the option of entering this into a sales document, purchase document, item card, job card, contact, and even a service item. You have up to 15 definable fields available within all these pages. These fields can be text fields, date or date formula, checkboxes, numeral, even the option for lookup codes. As Cronus is a furniture company, let's enter in some details about polishing furniture. Labeled as Other Information. My furniture is now polished, I'm leaving some comments, and I can assign a code for the employee that conducted the polishing, as well as the item list. Now that we've assessed sales and inventory management, let's have a look at journal management within Financials. Journals are made to be specific and user-friendly. We're able to streamline processes by using standard journals and have a variety of batches available to us. This allows me to template journals that I want to use on a periodic basis. There's also added functionality specific for whichever process we are trying to complete. When trying to process payments, I can use the Suggest Vendor Payments, allocate an amount, and use any one of these details to make this payment suggested quicker for me to process, thereby making my day more efficient. While in posted documents, we streamline processes by making it easier for you to send your documents, to send your electronic files to your customers, vendors, and banking entities. You can produce it as a PDF, Word document, and preview it as such. There's the invoice we created for the Canon Group earlier today, in the specific layout we chose for them. Sending this document to the Canon Group is as easy as selecting print if we wish to save it as a different file type, or email, which operates the same way as your email address or Outlook. Wow, we have now seen just a taste of the inventory management available in financials. We create a couple of user-definable fields on the fly, and you've even seen how quick our journals can operate and how efficient our posted documents are organized. Let's move on to financial management. You will find within our program, financial management is designed to be as in-depth and analytical as you desire, but clean on the surface. Financials has a clear and standard chart of accounts provided with our template to ensure that general ledger information is perfectly visible. To allow for fast and accurate reporting, Financials has the reporting tool called Dimensions. Dimensions act as filters tagging information, any reporting aspect, throughout Financials, and store their values directly in the records they belong to. This filters the information and allows for in-depth analysis of your organization, while keeping your chart of accounts clean on the surface. A perfect example of a dimension could be a cost center, department, even area. And any dimension can have subunits, allowing us to even further segment information for reporting purposes. Here's a good example. There's our operating expenses by the 3 different departments. Financials also strive to provide easy cash flow forecasting by using worksheets to suggest our liquid funds and payables with a click of a button. We also have GL budgets that allow us to combine GL budget entries with actuals to create forecasting. We can have as many budgets applied to the same period to apply high and low budgeting, and have the capability to export and import these documents to Excel. Alongside having all this financial strength, our program can incorporate as many companies as you'd want in one database. And this does not affect your subscription price. You can have the multiple entities of your business incorporated in your accounting software. You can account for the intercompany transactions that you process, as well as create consolidation companies. To meet your business needs, extensive reporting capabilities are available in Financial Standard Edition. You can analyze your business performance with a few clicks and deliver robust reports to your stakeholders. Analysis views combine the multiple dimensions you tag within your database to allow for a deep dive into your business's performance. Financials also offers the account schedules. They provide our financial performance. This can be in the context of sales, purchase, even inventory efficiency. These reports not only are able to be sent out to Excel, but generate the charts we have in our dashboard. I can slice and dice the information, hover over and grab that specific figure I need, even drill down into the chart itself, view the net and budget entries compared as a figure, and drill down in the figure itself to see the entries. You have all that capability within your dashboard. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to improve your business's reporting? What you've seen is the reporting within Financials. Financials uses add-ons to enhance our reporting even further. First is Jet Express and Power BI. Jet Express is a reporting tool that utilizes the Microsoft Excel functionality to create dashboards, as you can see here, as well as all these reports available on the right, as free samples. Jet Express comes as a free add-on with Financials for Office 365 and can be linked directly to the Financials database so that with one click, a report like this can be refreshed. You also have the capability to link up multiple companies with this report. And if you want to provide a dynamic way to illustrate your business performance, Power BI is the way to go. Power BI is the reporting tool available within the Office 365 suite. This allows you to model and design digestible dashboards and reports that dynamically illustrate your business performance to stakeholders. With this, our Cronus International company can illustrate geographically our customers on an international scale, our inventory sales and their profitability, how we manage our sales opportunities, and more. This is all available for free with the contact pack that you get with Financials for Office 365. Think of this as your starting platform. All you need is an Office 365 subscription that entitles you to the free version of Power BI. And if you need more, you can even upgrade with Power BI to have a live connection with the database. And with that, we've been able to tick off financial management, the multiple companies you can utilize within this program, and the powerful financial reporting available to you out of the box. To ensure that Financials for Office 365 can go international when you want it to, we have dynamic Forex management. Currencies can be updated with an external service with one click, like so. Within your chart of accounts and all of the reports we've just seen, you can even utilize an additional reporting currency so that stakeholders of your business in a different country can see the value of your company in their currency. If your organization has fixed assets, Financials can account for their usage, depreciation, even total value of insurance, their acquisition and maintenance costs, as well as applying multiple depreciation books to incorporate both the company and tax depreciation. You can apply classes and subclasses to categorize the multiple fixed assets you may have in your business, as well as incorporate maintenance applied to these fixed assets, whether it be internal or external from a supplier. Next is the internal CRM within Financials for Office 365. Here, we have opportunity and contact management that allows us to create opportunities with existing and potential customers, account for the sales cycle and our progress with that customer, and even create interactions for our salespeople. We can manage this on an opportunity and even a contact level, the same way you would if you used Outlook for your CRM management. If you want to go to the next step up, Microsoft has provided a direct connection between the accounting solution Financials for Office 365 and Microsoft Dynamics CRM. This is to allow data to flow easily between our two softwares and remove lead duplication and high time consumption. Here we can directly link customers and have a fact box showing their opportunities, quotes, and cases. We can have our customers linked with our accounts and have either end operate as the source of truth, and we can directly navigate to where we want to go. All these lists that you see here are directly sourced from Microsoft Dynamics CRM. And we can have various entities between the two softwares synchronized. Most regularly used is accounts to customers. And with that, you've seen currencies, fixed assets, and marketing. Let's have a look at some industry verticals. Providing ongoing service to customers is an important part of any business, and one that can be the source of customer satisfaction and loyalty, in addition to revenue. However, managing and tracking service is not always easy, and Financials for Office 365 provides a set of tools to help. You can manage your service as items and contracts to be done as preventative and reactive maintenance, as well as providing service to your customers, and accounting for company resources, both personnel and machinery, with timesheets and availability to manage the dispatching of your resources. With project management, Financials provides you the tools and the ability to account for and manage the profitability of a job. Projects can be accounted for with budgets, usage, as well as the contracted amounts to the client. Not only that, but you can even have forecasting. And the general look and feel operates as if you were in Excel. You can analyze to view the statistics of an entire project by viewing the statistics of a single stage of the project or even a single task. Whether you are a small manufacturer or a comprehensive organization, Financials for Office 365's manufacturing delivers a comprehensive solution, as manufacturing can require constant scheduling and adjusting to both internal and the external environment. We enable you to be proactive and streamline your operations. This is done with scalable solutions. Your manufacturing process can be as in-depth, analyzing the cost efficiencies of your different stages of production, or as simplistic and straightforward as just kitting items together and adding value. Do you want to learn more about these specific areas within financials? Our regular sessions, the Lunch and Learn webinars, go in depth within distribution, service management, project management, and manufacturing. If you want to watch these recordings, feel free to select them within the description field. So now that we've seen what's in financials for Office 365, let's have a look at what's new within version 3.0. Naturally, we have a webinar that shows off these new features. It's in the description. Let's start off with incoming documents. Some business transactions are not recorded in financials from the outset. Instead, an external business document comes into your company as an email attachment or a paper copy that you have to then import as a file. This is typical of purchases, and financials has enabled incoming documents to allow you to not only manage, review, but even convert these external documents into your accounting software. Here we can use OCR, and this can be attached even on the journal line level. Next is workflows. With the standard edition of financials for Office 365, you receive a number of pre-configured workflows that allow you to set up and connect business process tasks performed by different users of financials. Workflows can enable automatic posting, dynamic granting and requesting of approval processes, and a standard level of automation. With the release of version 3.0, you get a number of pre-configured workflows that you can copy and design for your business requirements. And lastly is the mobile experience of financials for Office 365. With a new app that allows you to access financials on any device, Android, Apple, or Windows, you can now access your accounting software from a tablet or even your phone. This makes financials a truly mobile solution. With the phone experience, I have not sacrificed any functionality. We can still drill down into that graph we did earlier, view the amounts, and then even view the entries. I can be on site with a customer like we were before with the Canon Group and process an order for them even quicker. I have not lost any functionality, and I still have the full visibility that I need, as well as the ease of use with a new but similar interface. Would you look at that? There's only 2 overdue sales documents now. Our sales and admin team did good today, using financials for Office 365. And with that, you've now seen financials for Office 365's new release, version 3.0. The future of cloud accounting, powered by Microsoft. Now, I know we've covered a lot, and it was all available within the standard edition of financials for Office 365. If you're interested in finding out more, please feel free to call our sales hotline, or even go to our website, where one of our friendly team members would be happy to talk to you about your business pains and where financials for Office 365 can help you. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. I know I have. And I hope to hear from you soon.